While we at Pride Mobility are constantly developing new, innovative products on the cutting edge of power mobility technology, we're also exploring ways to enhance our current lineup. And a great example of that is the GoGo Endurance Li scooter, ideal for air travel and the subject of this edition of Mastering Mobility. As of spring 2024, the GoGo Endurance Li now comes standard with a 17 by 17 inch mesh back seat. It's breathable and ensures that you will have a comfortable ride during all your travels. The Li part of the name represents its lithium-ion battery pack. Lithium is lighter, charges faster, and gives you a longer life cycle for sustained performance. The standard 8 amp-hour pack is airline compliant, or you can upgrade to a 16 amp-hour pack for double the mileage range. Keep in mind, however, that the upgraded battery does not meet airline requirements. Other features of the GoGo Endurance Li include Comfort Track suspension with powerful coil springs near each tire, a high-intensity LED headlight for added safety, and Feather Touch disassembly with the heaviest piece weighing no more than 41 pounds. The GoGo Endurance Li boasts a weight capacity of 325 pounds and is available in 2 sets of easily interchangeable shrouds, including garnet red as you see here and Euro gray. Head to PrideMobility.com to learn more about this scooter, and we'll see you next time on Mastering Mobility.